Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often debated, the idea that money can't buy happiness. But is that really true? Let's explore how money can indeed bring happiness, the importance of working hard, and some easy ways to start earning your first money. Let's get started. We've all heard the saying, money can't buy happiness. But the truth is, money can significantly improve your quality of life. It can provide you with security, freedom, and opportunities that are essential for a happy and fulfilling life. Imagine being able to travel, pursue your passions, or simply live without the constant stress of financial worries. These are all aspects of happiness that money can help achieve. Now let's talk about the importance of working hard. Success rarely comes without effort. By dedicating yourself to your work, you're not just earning money, you're also building character, gaining skills, and creating opportunities for yourself. Hard work can lead to promotions, better job offers, and even the chance to start your own business. It's through this dedication that you can truly unlock the potential of your financial success. So, what can you do with money? The possibilities are endless. You can invest in your education, buy a home, travel the world, or support causes you care about. Money can also give you the freedom to spend more time with your loved ones, explore new hobbies, and enjoy life without constant financial stress. Remember, it's not just about having money. It's about using it wisely to enrich your life and the lives of others. Let's talk about how you can start earning money easily. Here are a few tips. Freelancing, offer your skills online. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to start. Online surveys and market research, participate in surveys and get paid for your opinions. Gig economy. Jobs. Try part-time jobs like food delivery, ride-sharing, or pet sitting, selling products. Online, use platforms like eBay, Etsy, or Amazon to sell products you create or no longer need. Tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a subject, offer tutoring services online or in person. These are just a few examples of how you can start making money without a large upfront investment. To wrap things up, remember that money can indeed buy happiness when used wisely. It's about working hard, making smart choices, and using your financial resources to create a life that brings you joy and fulfillment. Start small, stay dedicated, and watch your financial success grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and insights. And check out our channel for more great content. See you next time.